Look at this chart. The S&P 500 is flashing red, screaming danger. This sudden plunge looks exactly like the devastating dot-com crash of 2000. Are we on the verge of total financial collapse? Look closely at this flashing chart. This rare pattern isn't random. It is matching the exact peak from the 1999 dot-com crash. The last time we saw this setup, the entire market collapsed shortly after. Look at this. 5 tech giants carry the weight of the entire market. If they slip, everything crashes. We are putting all our eggs in one very fragile basket. Script written, no stickman. Word count 34. Text, look at these peaks. 1929, 2008, and now today, see that red line? It's not just dipping, it's screaming downward. Analysts warn this correction could wipe out trillions, dwarfing every crash we've ever seen. Look at these charts from 1999. Now look at today. The patterns are identical. Every single warning sign that triggered the dot-com crash is flashing red right now. History isn't just repeating, it's screaming at us. Tech stocks are bleeding out. Wall Street is in pure chaos as investors dump shares in a massive panic. The fear index just spiked to a record high, leaving everyone bracing for impact. Panic hits the market. Investors dump stocks, scrambling for gold as a safe haven. The rush is too much. Major trading platforms crash under the heavy traffic, leaving millions locked out of their accounts. Fed panic, rates cut. Script, behind closed doors, the Federal Reserve panics. They call an emergency meeting, desperate to stop the bleeding. They slash interest rates to 0. But is it already too late to save the crumbling market? The rate cut failed. The dollar is in freefall and panic is hitting the streets. People are clearing out stores, grabbing everything they can. Look at these empty shelves. What will be left tomorrow? Suddenly, steel doors slam shut. Banks lock. Outside, angry crowds gather, demanding their cash. Their life savings are trapped inside. Panic spreads fast. What would you do? Tensions finally boiled over. The streets turned into a war zone as desperate citizens clashed with riot police. Now, the government has declared a national emergency to regain control. The chaos is spreading fast, and nobody is safe. Narration for Scene 12. Now, the military controls the food. Rations are tight, and the supply chains are completely dead. If you want to eat, you stand in line and pray they don't run out before you reach the front. Blackout, the grid is dead, and the lights aren't coming back on. In the shadows, paper money is worthless. Now, a mother trades her diamond wedding ring just for a bottle of baby aspirin. Look at the streets now. Empty. Silent. The few who survived are hiding in the shadows, clinging to small groups. And they are fighting, viciously, over every single drop of clean water and scrap of food left. Look at these shattered streets. Once great civilization, now nothing but dust and silence. End came fast, no help coming. So tell me, when world falls apart, will you be ready?